Hi, this is Fantasia. Welcome to my channel, Sewing with Tay. Today we have a sewing project. I am going to be sewing a suit for a client, and it is Butterick 6933. This pattern comes with 3 pieces, a jacket, a pant, and a skirt, but I'm only doing the jacket and a pant. Would I say this is a beginner-friendly project? I'm kind of on the fence because this is just a sewing prep video. So whenever I get ready to do a project, ideally, I don't want to cut my fabric and sew on the same day unless I'm starting at like 7 a.m. And even then, I probably still don't want to do that. So I tend to cut my fabric out the day before and then prep to sew the next day. So we are making this suit, the blazer and the pant, in a satin, and then we found this really cool jacquard for the lining. Once we get to the end of the video, I'll give you a quick run through of the pieces. And I've cut out everything except for my interfacing, only because I want to test it out before I decide that it's the interlining that I'm going to use, because sometimes interlining can get wavy and bumpy and like orange pilly, and no one wants that, especially not on a satin suit. So let's start with the jacket. So the jacket has a lot of pieces. I didn't count how many pieces it is, but some of the construction methods, I would say, lean a little more towards intermediate level. So it has a 2-piece sleeve, it has fish darts in the front, it has a welt pocket, and even on my best day, a welt pocket can be a little bit challenging. So I would say that the blazer is leaning towards intermediate level, but I will let you guys know in my next video when I tell you how the actual sewing went. The pants seem very easy though. The pants it only has 6 pieces. It has the front and back, the 2 pocket pieces, and then the 2 waistband pieces. It has a side seam zipper instead of a front fly, which is leaps and bounds easier than a front fly. So I think the pants is leaning towards beginner friendly. It does have darts at the back, but I think they are very manageable. They're just single darts. It does have a lining, so the jacket has a front lining, but we have this really cool fabric that I really want to be seen into the back of the jacket, so I'm going to flat line the back pieces because it does not call for lining in the back, but I do want to make sure that you can see the design detail of that fabric because it is really pretty. Both of these garments have some basic sewing construction. As I've already mentioned, it does have some more difficult sewing constructions. So let's run through the pattern pieces really fast. I can show you where those things are on the pattern so you kind of know what they look like. And then I'm going to get to sewing today, and then I'll do a recap of how the sewing went for the Butterick 6933 wardrobe suit pattern. Alright, so here is the pamphlet from inside of my pattern packet. You have view A, which is your suit, view B, which is the skirt, view C, which is the pants. So we're going to do the blazer and the pant. Down here, you can see an illustration of all of your pattern pieces and all of them listed. I like to check mark and circle the ones that I'm going to need to make sure that I cut all of my pattern pieces. So again, as I told you already, this pant only had 6 patterns, and the jacket, if we want to do a quick count here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 pieces for the jacket. And this doesn't include the interlining pieces like the interfacing. So this is just 13 either self or lining pieces. So let's get into these real quick to give you a view of what they look like. Alright, here are my pant pieces. This here is our pocket, and this is cut out of lining. I chose to cut this out of lining. You don't have to, but you can see here I said we have some really cool lining fabric. This is what it looks like. So this is my pocket that was cut in lining, but it didn't call that out, but that's just what I wanted to do. This here is our side front. So this is the part that goes behind the pocket. So the pocket goes like this, and this here is the side front of your pant. And you're going to cut 2 out of self. I cut 2 out of lining here. We have our waistbands. my pattern is cut here because she was in between sizes and I needed to make this a little bit bigger. But you have to cut 2 of the back waistband and 2 of the front waistband, and one of each of these will get cut with interlining. And here you will see where I added some width for her hip all the way down. This here is my front piece. You're going to cut 2 out of self, and then this here is my back piece. You're going to cut 2 also out of self, and you'll see here where I mentioned that this back piece has a dart. And that's pretty much it. There's no other really complicated sewing techniques here. This is our front pant, and I mentioned we have our side front and our pocket bag. So this goes here, and then these two all go together like so. So that, in a nutshell, is our pant. Now let's get into the jacket with these 13 pieces. Front facing, I cut 2 out of interfacing and 2 out of the main fabric. This is the front body. So we cut 2 here out of self. This down here is that welt pocket that I was telling you about. That's a little bit more of an intense construction, and it has a little fisheye dart right there. This is my side front, and they line up kind of like that. So you see this piece here. This here is where your pocket will go. So that's why I mentioned this one is a little bit more less beginner friendly with this fisheye dart and this welt pocket. But you would just line up your darts and your circles as you move on through your sewing. So those are the front pieces, sort of. So this is our back. We're also going to cut 2 out of self. This here is our side back. So you see you have your notches here that you line up. And then you have the notches here where we line up with the side seam and the center back. This only calls for cut 2 out of self, but I'm also going to flat line this with lining. So I'm going to cut 2 out of lining. And this here, the side back, is also cut 2. While we're talking about the main body pieces, this is our front lining. So this goes next to the front facing, and this just has a kind of more traditional dart, not the fisheye dart. But again, you would match these up, these 2 notches up with your front facing for your front lining. We have a 2-part sleeve, so the upper sleeve and the under sleeve. These are both cut 2 out of fabric and also cut 2 out of lining. This here is our back piece. This is what's used to finish like the back neckline, but I'm going to flat line it, but I'm still going to use this piece above the flat lining in the back. These pieces here are our welt pocket. So this is the welt, this is the pocket bag. For this one, we're going to cut 2 out of fabric and 2 out of self. And for the welt, we just have 2 satin pieces. And we have our collar, the upper collar and the lower collar, and they're both cut 1 on the fold and 1 on the fold, and then 1 of interfacing for both of those. So those are all of my pattern pieces. All right, y'all, that was my prep review for you guys on me sewing the Butterick 6933. Stay tuned for the end results, and I can let you know how it went, what went well, what didn't go well, and hopefully it turns out cute. Fingers crossed. Stay tuned for the next video. If you like me doing pattern reviews and pattern prep, please leave me a comment in the comment section, and I can add this to my to-do list of things that I know you guys want to see. But until next time, bye.